We traveled far and we traveled wide. This journey has been horrendous, but we did it together. We found a cell. It's Dr. Shrem's classroom. We must explore this vast, vast world to infinity and beyond.
The desk is the nucleus because it protects the nucleolus, which is the computer, because it contains all of the cell's information. And the emergency shower is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum because it detoxifies the chemicals. And the printer is the rough ER because it makes the paper, which is the protein.
Right. So from the rough ER comes the vacuum, which is the student. Me, who takes the protein, which is the paper, from the rough ER and transports it all the way to the Golgi apparatus, which is the filing cabinet, which files and sorts and sends the protein out to the media, out for the media. And the chloroplasts are the lights because it produces light. It produces energy. It takes in energy and it produces energy for the classroom, or for the cell. But for animal cells, there's the mitochondria, which is the outlet. It produces electricity for the classroom. The energy, it's the powerhouse of the cell.
So this is the centriole. Centriole splits the cell. Next we have the lysosome. Lysosome is the trash can. It deposits all the waste material that the cell has by breaking it down. In a classroom, it just gets sent away to the garbage can. Then you have the cytoskeleton, which is the walls. The walls keep the room up and keep the room intact. And then you have the plasma membrane, which is the door, which is like input and output of stuff.
The adventure through the cell was wonderful. It was great. We learned so much.
Okay, hold up. The mitochondria is actually not that important because it wasn't in the cell like a long time ago, and the cell still functioned properly. It can get its energy from all the food that it eats. It doesn't really need to create its own food. I mean, the mitochondria is the only cell that can go without the cell not functioning. Back to you, David.
There's one thing in a cell that you don't need for the cell to survive, and that is the mitochondria. Yeet! Bye.